In this video, I am describing NCERT class 10th chapter number 9.1. I am describing almost all questions of this exercise in this video. So please watch this video carefully. Now come on solution. Please study the question carefully and you will try to plot the diagram, because diagram is necessary in topic height and distance. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched to a tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. This is the vertical pole. So this will be 90 degree and this is AB and this is the rope which is 20-meter long. This is C. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level, this is the rope, angle made by the rope and the ground level is what? This is 30 degree. Okay, and circus artist is climbing on this rope along this. We need to find the height of the pole. This is height of the pole. So in this right angle triangle, this is for this angle, this is the hypotenuse, this is the base and this is the height, and this is given to you and this is asked. So you will select the trigonometric ratios which relates height and perpendicular and hypotenuse. So this is answer number 1. In right triangle A, this is B, A, B, C. This is sine C is equal to AB by AC. You have to select the trigonometric ratios which relates perpendicular and hypotenuse, and it is sine C here, and the value of sine C is 30 degree, and this is AB and this is 20 meter. And as you know, the value of sine 30 degree is half, so you will put the value of sine 30 degree here. This is 20 meter. Now do the cross multiplication. 2 into AB is equal to 20 meter. Therefore AB is equal to 20 meter by 2, and this is 10 meter, and this is your final answer. Therefore you will write here height of the pole is equal to 10 meter, and this is the final answer. Now question number 1 has been done. So we will do the question number 2 here. It is necessary to plot the diagram correctly. If the diagram has been plotted correctly, you will do the questions correctly also. In question number 2, a tree breaks due to a storm, and the broken part, this is the, first of all you will plot the ground level, and this is the okay, and the tree has been broken from here due to a storm, and the broken part of the tree is inclined with the ground and makes an angle of 30 degree. This is the 30 degree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. This is the 8 meter. and this is the top of the tree and this is the foot of the tree, and according to question the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree is 8 meter. Okay, we have to find the height of the tree. We have to find the height of tree. It means this is x and this is y, so the height of the tree will be AB plus AC. So we have to calculate AB and AC. Okay, it's not necessary to write x and y here. We have to find the value of AB and AC, and after addition AB and AC we will find the original height of the tree. So first of all I am trying to find AB. This is answer number 2. In right triangle ABC, you will write here angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle C is equal to 30 degree. Also BC is equal to 8 meter. Therefore, first of all this is given to you and this is we want to find the value of AB. So AB and BC are linked with tan theta. Therefore tan C is equal to AB by BC, and the value of C is tan 30 degree. And what is the value? You will write AB here and BC means 8 meter, and you will substitute the value of tan theta, which is tan 30 degree, which is 1 by root 3, and this is AB. And after cross multiplication, AB is equal to 8 meter by root 3, and this is first. Also, and link this and this, and this is base and this is the hypotenuse. So these will be these are linked with cos theta. Cos C is equal to BC by AC, and this is cos 30 degree, and the value of BC is 8 meter by AC, and we will substitute the value of cos 30 degree, which is root 3 by 2, and 8 meter by AC. So AC is equal to 16 meter by root 3, and this is 2. Therefore original height of the tree is equal to AB plus AC. What is the value of AB here? 8 meter by root 3 plus, and this is 16 meter by root 3. You will take root 3 as the LCM. This is 8 meter and this is 16 meter, and this is 24 meter by root 3, and do the rationalization here. After doing the rationalization, 24 root 3 by 3 meter, and this will be cut out, that is 8 root 3 meter. This is the original height of the tree. Okay, this is the final answer. Now we will do the question number 3rd. This is answer number 3rd. In this question, a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below their age 5 years. Okay, so you have to make 2 calculation here, perform 2 calculation here. First, for the children below 5 years. This is the ground level and this is the slides, and this is the height of the slides, and this is C, and this is height 1.5 meter. Height of the slides is 1.5 meter, and the angle of elevation is what? This is 30 degree. So we have to find the height of the slides. This is asked. So in right triangle ABC, and these are related by sine theta. Sine C is equal to AB by, for better convenience we will write here A and this is B. AB by AC, and the value of sine C is 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is equal to AB 1.5 meter, and this is AC, and the substitute of value of sine 30 degree, which is half 1.5 meter, this is AC. Do the cross multiplication. AC is equal to, and this is 3 meter. After doing a cross multiplication, therefore length of slide is equal to 3 meter. This is the answer. Now in second section, I am just cleaning the board for the next calculation. And here for the children greater than 5 years, this is the ground level, and this is the height of slides, and this is and this is 60 degree, and height of the slide is what? 3 meter. This is 3 meter. We have to find the length of slides. In right triangle ABC, sine C is equal to AB by AC, and this is sine 60 degree. This is AB, that is 3 meter, and this is AC. Substitute the value of sine 60, which is root 3 by 2. This is 3 meter by AC, and do the cross multiplication. Root 3 into AC is equal to 6 meter. Therefore AC is equal to 6 meter divided by root 3, and this is 2 root 3 meter. This will be cross out. This is the answer. Okay, that is length of slide is 2 root 3 meter. If you are asked to substitute the value of, if value of root 3 is given to you, you will substitute the value of root 3 here and multiply that value by 2, and you will write the answer here. But no information about the value of root 3 is given to you, then it's not necessary to write the answer value of root 3. This is the answer. Yeah, this is answer number 4. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from the point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. This is the ground level, this is the tower. And from the base of the tower, a point is fixed by the observer. This is C, and this is 30 meter away from the base of the tower. And this is AB. This is AB. And the angle of elevation is, what is the value of angle of elevation? This is also 30 degree. This is 30 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. This is asked. So in this question, this base for this angle, this is the base and this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. And the information or concept about the base, perpendicular and hypotenuse are completely mentioned in my previous video. So please watch that video carefully and remove your all types of doubts regarding base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Hence why I am calling for this angle, this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. This concept will be cleared when you will see that video. So please, I recommend you to watch that video. Okay. Therefore, in right triangle ABC, tan C is equal to AB by BC, and this is tan 30 degree, and AB is AB, and this is BC 30 meter, and substitute the value of 30 degree. This is AB and this is 30 meter. Do the cross multiplication. Root 3 into AB is equal to 30 meter. Therefore, AB is equal to 30 meter by root 3. Okay, you can also write it like this: 10 into 3 meter. I am describing it carefully, clearly, sorry. 10 into, you will write like this, and this is the root 3. Okay, and this will be 10 root 3 meter. Okay. I will never discuss this type of simplification everywhere, and okay, I am only describing this type of simplification here for your clearance. Okay, this question has been finished. You will write here the height of tower. Height of tower is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Now answer number 5. In this question, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on a ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slag in the string. Okay, this is the ground surface and this is the kite. Okay, and this is the height of the tree. Sorry, height of the kite. This is A, this is B, and this is the C. Now fit the information in the diagram. It's not necessary to mention the information here. In this way, your answer will be bulky, and it's not necessary to write the information here. You will describe the information in the diagram. Okay. So your diagram should be informatic, and that is, in another language, your diagram should be labeled correctly. of okay, this is the 80 meter. The kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. This is the 60 meter. Okay. The string attached to the an angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay. We need to find the length of a string, and there is no slack. It means this string is almost tight. So which trigonometric ratio is applied here, and this is the base, and this angle is given to you. Therefore for this angle, this is the perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, and perpendicular and hypotenuse are related by sine theta. Therefore you will take sine theta. Therefore in right triangle ABC, simply angle B is 90 degree and angle C is equal to 60 degree. Therefore sine C is equal to AB by AC. What is the value of AB? AC, sorry, 60 degree, and AB, this is 60 meter and this is AC. And substitute the value of sine 60 degree, which is root 3 by 2, and 60 meter by AC. Do the cross multiplication, and this is 120 meter, and AC is equal to 120 meter divided by root 3, and this is 40 into 3 meter divided by root 3, and this will be cross out, root, this is meter. Therefore length of the string is equal to 40 root 3 meter, and this is your answer. Okay, this has been finished. Now question number 6. This is the ground level and this is the height of a 1.5 meter tall boy. This is the length of a boy is this is the tall boy is standing at the some distance from a 30 meter tall building. This is the 30 meter tall building. This is CD. Okay, the angle of elevation from the ice to the top of the building, and the boy is watching the top of the building. So the angle of elevation will be formed at his eyes. This is the angle of elevation. Okay, and now he is moving towards the building. How much distance? Okay. The angle of elevation from the eyes of the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Okay, now he is coming here and again watching the top, and this is the 60 degree and this is the 30 degree. Okay, find the distance he walked towards the building. We have to find this. This is what? This is P and this is Q. You will write here P, here, position. Okay, find the distance he walked toward the building. We have to find BQ. So this is X, so this will be also X. and suppose this is y, so this is also y. This is right angle and this is m. Here B AB quadrilateral A P Q B is a rectangle. Therefore PQ is equal to AB. AB is equal to 1.5 meter and AP is equal to BQ is equal to X. Here write C. This is given. Also PQMD, quadrilateral PQMD is a rectangle. Therefore MD is equal to PQ is equal to 1.5 meter. This is given, and QD is equal to PM is equal to Y. This is C. Therefore CM is equal to CD minus MD is equal to 30 meter minus 1.5 meter, that is, this is 5 and this is 9, this is 8 and this is 2 this meter. Okay, therefore now in right triangle, first of all you will take this triangle CMP. Tan 60 degree is equal to CM by MP, and the value of tan 60 root 3, and this is 28.5 meter and this is Y. So root 3y is equal to 28.5 meter, and this is y is equal to 28.5 by root 3 meter, and this is first. Now in right triangle CMA tan 30 degree is equal to CM by MA, or this is 1 by root 3, and CM is 28.5 meter, and this is Y plus X. Therefore Y plus X is equal to 28.5 root 3 meter, and substitute the value of Y here, 28.5 by root 3 plus X is equal to 28.5 root 3. Please don't take the unit here. Okay, so shift this term in right hand side. X is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 root 28.5 upon root 3. Okay, now take the LCM. This is the LCM, root 3, and this become 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5, and this becomes you will take 28.5 as the common. 28.5 3 minus 1. This is the smart calculation. Okay, you will write here 1 like this, 1, and this is root 3, and so this is 28.5 into 2 by root 3. Rationalize it, root 3 into root 3, and this is 28.5 into multiply it by 2, 5 to the 10, 8 40, 41, and 51, this root 3 into root 3 by 3, and this is 17, and final 17 root 3 meter is your final answer. Therefore, you will write here final statement. Therefore, height of BQ is equal to BQ x is equal to, no, it's not necessary to write here, and this is the answer, 17 root 3. Now this is answer 7. This is the ground level, and here from a point on the ground, this is a point on the ground, and this is the building, and a transmission tower is installed on the building. From a point on a ground, the angle of elevation of bottom of, from the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower, this is A, B, C, and this is point P, and this is the bottom of transmission tower, and this is the AB is the transmission tower, and this is, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, right here 45 degree, and this is 60 degree. Okay, we have to find the height of the tower. This is the height of the tower, and what is the height of the building? The height of the building is 20 meter high building. This is the 20 meter high building up to here. Okay, this is x, and so let us suppose this is x. So first of all, you will take this in right angle triangle ACB, in right triangle BCP, and tan 45 degree is equal to BC upon CP, and the value of tan 45 is 1, and BC is 20 meter, and this is x, and so x is equal to 20 meter, and this is first. Now in right triangle ACP, tan 60 degree is equal to AC by CP. The value of tan 60 is this, and AC is what? H plus 20, and this is x. Do the cross multiplication. Root 3x is equal to h plus 20, and the substitute of value of x from here, this is root 3 into 20 h plus 20. Shift 20 from this side, this will be also 20 root 3 minus 20 is equal to h. That is h is equal to 20, take 20 as the common, this is root 3 minus 1, and this is your meter. This is your final answer. Okay. Now question number 8. In this question, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. Okay, and this is the vertical, this is the horizontal ground level, and this is the pedestal, and a statue is fixed on it. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, or statue, the length of the statue is given to us, this is 1.6 meter. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the statue, from here the angle of elevation is 60 degree. This is the point B. Okay, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal, and this is the top of pedestal, is what? Is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. And this is, first of all, you will write here 60 degree, and this is 45 degree. Okay. B, find the height of the pedestal. Height of the pedestal, BC is asked in this question. So suppose this is x, and this is the carbon copy of the second question number 7. So let us start from the triangle BCP. In triangle, right triangle BCP, tan 45 degree is equal to BC by CP, and the value of tan 45 is this. This is h by x. So x is equal to h, and this is first. Now in right triangle ACP, tan 60 degree is equal to AC by CP, and this is root 3, and the value of AC is equal to x 1.6 plus h, and this is x. Do the cross multiplication, root 3 x is equal to 1.6 plus h, and the substitute of value of x from here, this is root 3 h, this is root 3 h, and 1.6 plus h you will write from first, and shift h from this side, root 3 h minus h is equal to 1.6, and this is, take h as a common, 1.6. So h is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Now rationalize the denominator, which you have done in class 9th, and I hope you know it. This is 1 and 1.6 root 3 plus 1, and this is 3 minus 1. This will be 0.8, and this is one step more. 1.6 root 3 plus 1, and this is 2. Okay, we are not asked to use the value of root 3, so left the answer in term of root 3. This will be cross out. This is 0.8 and root 3 plus 1 meter, and this is your final answer. In the question, if you are directed to use the value of root 3, then you will use the substitute of value of root 3 and you will do the answer. If you are not asked to use the value of root 3, then please left the answer in term of root 3. Okay, so dear student, I have done these 8 questions in this video. The remaining 8 questions will be solved in my coming video. So please watch my these videos carefully and make clear your doubts, and I hope you will subscribe my channel, and please add do some ad for me, uh, for which I will get some financial support. Okay, and you will provide the opportunity of your neighbors, your known to, for mathematical supports. Okay, thank you.